Hello again, YS community, with another brain break. This is Sarah Rodenburgh. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing origami as a brain break activity. Now, there's lots of different patterns that you can find on the internet to use, or I'm actually going to be using my very own. It's actually called my first origami kit that my mother purchased off of Amazon to give to my daughter. So we're actually going to be doing something out of there. Okay, so today the pattern I've selected is Penny the Penguin. So pretty simple. What you're going to need for this one, you can really use any piece of paper. You don't have to have origami paper, but basically a 6x6 square, and mine is exactly the same color. So what I've done is I've put an F on the front side and a B on the back side, and if you notice, I did practice already just to make this a little bit easier for myself. So for our Penny the Penguin pattern, let me show you this guy again. In case you want to replicate it, you can pause the video here and check it out. What you want to start with is you're going to do what's called a valley fold. So I'm actually starting on the back side of my paper. All right, and what you want to do is fold it from corner to corner. So just like that. So corner to corner is your fold. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to unfold it, but then you're going to take the right hand corner and you're going to fold it, again, what's called a valley fold, the right tip inward. The further you actually fold it, the shorter the penguin that you're going to have, okay? After that, what you want to do is turn it over. And now on the opposite side, so the left-hand side now, what you're going to do is you're going to valley fold the edges about halfway to your center crease. So again, it's going to look something like this. And then after you do that, again, you're going to valley fold the left point in. The further you fold it, the larger the penguin's head's going to be. So for that stage, it's going to look like this. All right. Then you want to actually hold it like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to mountain fold the whole thing in half. So you're going to have something that looks like this. And then what you're going to do to create the head, you're actually just going to swivel it and then fold that again. And then you have your very own little penguin. So you could actually decorate him. And let me move this so you can see. He does actually, if I can get him in the picture, stand up on his own. So quick little origami activity, and it's just that simple. So again, just like the other ones, if you create your very own brain break origami figure, feel free to share that on Instagram with our Roots and Wings page, or even send me a photo via email. Thanks for watching.